What we do then is put these pins in. Can you see it there? Then can you just knock that in, please, with a screwdriver and a hammer, very lightly. Just there. Excuse me. Very lightly, just force it in. This. Go there, lightly. Go. There it's going in. Keep going until it's where it's supposed to be. Okay, that's it. Now we do the next one. Quick, put it in. Oh, thank you. Did that fit in there? Yeah, it'll fit in slightly. Okay, keep going now. Put it all the way in. Okay, that's in. Okay, that has to be hit in a bit more, or does it? Yeah, that has to be hit in a bit. Hit that one in a bit more.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. That's enough. Now, will that fit in? Yeah, that'll fit in. Okay, tap it. Okay, find it. We're lucky this time, aren't we? Okay, tap it in. Keep going. Go. Keep going. Tap it in. All the way, that's not in all the way. Okay, that's in all the way. One more to go. This one also has to be hitting a bit more too.
This one?
This one. Is it this one? No, it's this one.
That one's sitting there, isn't it?
Right, okay, tap it in lightly. You don't need much force, just tap, 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 tap. Again, tap. Looks flush. Okay, we'll stop recording, I get the idea.